Think you've got what it takes to make a living on YouTube? Here's how it works. First, create engaging, quality content that resonates with viewers. Whether it's cooking, gaming, fashion, or sports, find your niche and own it. Next, be consistent. Posting daily videos keeps your channel fresh and increases your visibility. Remember, the more views and subscribers you get, the more revenue you'll generate. Now, let's talk numbers. A YouTuber can earn between $1 to $5 per 1,000 views, depending on the video's quality and viewer engagement. With a daily video drawing in, say, 10,000 views, that's potentially $50 a day. Multiply that by 30 days, and you're looking at up to $1,500 a month. And that's not all. There's also merchandise sales, brand partnerships, and crowdfunding on platforms like Patreon. So the sky really is the limit. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.